You can't make seven figures from your online business without having the right business tools at your fingertips. So when it comes to business tools, you want to pick the one that will actually save you time and money and give you the ability to be able to do as many things as you can into that one platform. In other words, pick an all-in-one business platform that gives you the ability to do email marketing, curating sales pages, having calendar meetings, having your own membership site, having an email opt-in forms, or even having your own affiliate program. You want to be able to do as much as you can by learning that one platform instead of learning 10 different platforms that are going to suck all your time and energy. This is why I love Katra, because it allows me to do everything that I just talked about and a lot more. Go ahead and check out this YouTube video where I walk you through my behind the scenes look into Katra as to how I use it, what are the different features I love, so you can decide if it's the right business tool for you or not.